platform where on any given day, we are covering a phone launch or a new car or a web series review. No 2 days look the same for me. For the last few weeks, there has been one device that has been keeping up to every single task. This is the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro Gen 2. Though built for students, this tab is extremely convenient for entrepreneurs like me. The display alone makes up a case for it. It's 13 inches long with 3.5K resolution. It also carries a low blue light certification. Also, there are 4 JBL speakers on this, tuned with Dolby Atmos. This tablet gives me screen space in 3 different ways. With productivity mode, I can split the display into multiple windows and work across several apps side by side. The USB-C port can output video too, so one cable connects it to a TV or a monitor for an even bigger screen. And it works the other way around as well. Smart Connect's cross-control feature turns this tablet into a wireless second screen for my PC. This tablet runs on a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip and it's got a dedicated AI processor. So things like handwriting recognition or quick text edits happen instantly right on the device with zero lag. The same chip also handles graphics, which is a part of why everything on this 144Hz screen feels so smooth. Quieter features, but they're the reason this tablet just feels fast end to end. This tablet packs a 10,200 mAh battery, enough for 12.5 hours of video playback on a single charge. It's also surprisingly light for its size at about 600 grams and comes bundled with the Tab Pen Plus. With the pen, my script notes turn my handwriting into a clean text and Smarter Reader helps mark up and summarize documents on the go. As for how it feels, it's thin with just 6 mm of thickness. The version that we have here is a glossy screen finish, which is almost like a fingerprint magnet. However, Lenovo also offers this in a matte screen finish for reduced glare and fingerprints. The version that we're reviewing is in Luna Grey and it looks amazing. The base price of this model is $39,999 for all the features that I've just shown you. That's the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro Gen 2. It's got not only students but even adults swooning over it. For the next review, subscribe to Tomorrow's India YouTube channel.